Hello guys, this is Andrew, and I know I haven't been having a lot of videos recently, and I've been doing a lot of sports stuff, and yeah, but when I have free time, I try to post videos. So today, I am gonna drink stuff that's in my fridge. So yeah. And this is my fridge. Right there. And so yeah, I think we have some hot sauce. Yeah. Yeah, I got red hot wing sauce, buffalo. So oh shoot. I'm not good at opening stuff. Dang. Oh, and also with my cousin and by myself, I know vines are dead and stuff, but we've been thinking, okay, I can't open this. Like, holy crap. But, so we're going to try to bring back vines. I'll just get all this stuff. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'll drink. Oh. Syrup. Gonna be gross. Ew. That went into my stick. So, okay. And can't believe I'm doing this. I do weird stuff, but I need to get my water. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Okay. And there will also be some good stuff. Oh, I got one. This is gonna be gross. Oh. Hey, I can open this. Oh, this is the stuff you put on steak. Steak sauce. Oh. Oh, no. No. Oh. Ew. Ew. That's gross. I'm not playing, bro. That's gross, bro. Ew. That tastes like freaking crap. Oh, it's in the sink. Hey, I'm not playing. That's gross. Do not get that. If you like that, then Dang, you're weird. Jesus Christ, bro. Okay. Okay. I'll do some. Oh, sorry about that. I'll do some orange juice. Orange juice. And I do like orange juice. But comment down below and say stuff that if you guys comment and say stuff and I have it, I'll do it or stuff like that. But hopefully this isn't spoiled. Yeah, of course I won't be in the bed. Okay, good. It's by January. That's good. Okay. Excuse me. I'll do like 2 more things. Do one bad, one good. And if enough of you comment down below, and I do get a part 2, I will do mustard. Bro, I call it must. It's a must turd. It tastes like turds. I wouldn't know what that tastes like, but like, it smells like a turd. I mean, I don't have a lot of stuff I can drink. I mean, there's sauces. Didn't pick that out. You know what? Do some eggnog. It's either you love eggnog or you hate eggnog. Comment down below if you love or hate eggnog. Depends what type. I pretty much love every kind. So I'll do one more thing and then end the video. What else is good eggnog? What's that? Oh, I said I would do a bad thing. Okay. Okay. I'm going to show you inside of this. This is disgusting. Oh my god, it's like a pool. Ugh, that's nasty. I'm doing this for you guys. If I puke, then... Oh. I got it on my shirt. I did not get a lot. I didn't show you that. Yeah. Ugh. Ew, okay. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. I'm sorry that you guys can't probably see me right now. Oh, come on, I need to put that away. Okay, guys, so that was eating food, drinking random food from my fridge, and if you guys comment and say stuff what I should eat next time, I will make a part 2 to this, and hopefully I will get a lot of views on this. I haven't been getting a lot of views. I think I got 6 subscribers. 6. But to watch my other videos, I have 2 channels. My first one's called Andrew Leakus. I don't know why I named it my name. And then I changed it, and I now called it The Cousins. Don't know why I called it The Cousins either. Comment down below also what would be a good name. Okay. Okay, so see you next time. I'll try to vlog more and get more videos out, and remember, never quit, and see you later. Bye.